What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today we're taking the review outside. Enjoy this day while we can before we're probably all locked down. I do have my handy dandy sanitizer here, and I have a travel pocket size one as well, and I have my babies over here strapped in so nothing happens to them on the way to do this review. So guys, without further ado, let's get it. Got our coffee, got our Jordans, got our sanitizer. You notice this box right here? These are the pine greens. I'm gonna be doing some comparison, so I'll put these to the side. All right, let's open up this top one here. I'm gonna be careful not to cut my box underneath it. I should have some more on my doorstep when I get home. They should be coming today, the Yeezys. I went ahead and pulled the trigger on them. So, opening it up, we have our standard Air Jordan 1 box, 1985. We'll set this to the side. Let me tilt the camera down some. All right, so we're gonna open this. Right away, guys, we get up close so you can see it. We open up the paper. Guys, right away, these have two sets of laces. They have the red ones and the white ones. I think the red ones are gonna look fire. I'm gonna throw them in and do a own feet when I get home. We have the Zoom Air, and this is like different than any other tag. It's like it's plastic, and well, I wouldn't say plastic. It's like a plastic material, and you have Zoom right here. This is really thick padding around the bottom of the foot, the ankle. And inside you have your Zoom Air. And guys, I know you can't feel it, but trust me, as I'm feeling it, there's such a cushion in there, and it's because the air pocket goes all the way through the midsole on these. It's the red to the blue on the bottom. It says Nike, and it has your Jordan wings over here. You open it up, it says Zoom right here. This is a very slept on shoe, I think. I really think this is This is a super fire shoe. I know resale's not big on them. Resale's not big on a lot of things right now due to the corona, but these are fire, man. I got one for the collection, like I said, and one for the feet. So that's why I have two of them. Here's the left one. Here's the right one. Now I'm gonna pull out, there's your shoe tree inside. You pull this out, and there's an air pocket that goes all the way through this. It's really cushiony in here, which I love wearing Jordan 1s, but they can hurt your feet after a while. This is such a shiny, reflective shoe. I mean, not reflective, but you know, with the way it hits up the plastic, it looks really, really good. The tumble leather, really, really nice. It's got your blue tips. The blue's gonna look fire with that red in there. I can't wait to throw them laces in and give you the on feet review. Now, comparing your standard Jordan 1 to your Jordan 1 Zoom Air, the thickness on these, I think, is a little thicker than these. I mean, what you guys think? I think this one's a little thicker. Of course, you have the air pocket that goes all the way through the midsole, and the leather's really good on these. It's more stiff on this one, but like I said, you know, this one looks a lot better than this one in my opinion. You got your white toe box. You got the gray. It's like a plastic and tumble leather. Goes around to the swoosh. The white and gray pops off in all the right places with the hints of blue. With the Zoom Air on the tongue and on the insole with the air pocket. This one, in my opinion, looks cleaner than this one. But, you know, I mean, I like them both, obviously, so that's that. but I think this one is going to be way more comfortable to wear than any of your other Jordan 1s. So these are definitely a must cop for me. Can't forget to sanitize. Yeah, guys, you see it. Water and ramen noodles. I will say this, guys, like I've said 100 times before, it is a buyer's market. If you can hold. If you have to sell, don't go without food and water. Sell your sneakers. But if you can hold, it is a buyer's market. Prices will continue to drop, just like the stocks. There's nothing that protects sneakers that won't protect the banks and the airlines and things like that. So we're not immune to this crisis and pandemic we're going through. So if you can hold. If not, you have to do what you got to do, guys. Foot Locker, Hibbett's, Champs, Foot Action, all those stores are closing today. And basically everything is closing up. Restaurants, San Francisco's quarantined. Other cities are locked down. So pretty much be nationwide soon. I've been saying for a while. And I just wish all you guys the best. And I hope that you guys are all staying home and taking care of your families and doing what you have to do. Just be mindful. You may not have it and there's no symptoms. The symptoms don't show for a week or two, and you could be carrying it and giving it to older people or anybody and not even know it. You know, look at the Utah Jazz player. He said he could lace up tomorrow and go play. He don't even know it, but he's infected, and so was another person on his team. And when the tests come out, guys, there's no telling how many people is going to be infected. Hopefully, I just pray we come through this with as least casualties as possible, and God be with everyone. I don't know if you guys have heard or not, but they did come up with what they think is a vaccine. They're testing it on 45 people. They're paying them $1,100 to do the test on each one of them's getting that money to do it. And if that works, they're going to do it 300 people and see what happens, and then hopefully bring it to the market by a year to a year and a half. I know it's a long way off, but there's a lot of tape work and things involved in that. Also, there's an $850 billion stimulus package they're trying to get through the House and the Senate and get to the president's desk to get $1,000 checks to everybody and to help cut payroll taxes and stimulate this economy. But like San Francisco, they're locking down. They're going to probably go a nationwide lockdown. I keep saying this. The next 2 weeks, well, actually a week now, it's going to really spike because people aren't being able to test because there's no test. And then they're going around healthy and giving it to other people. So be mindful of each other and stay home. and try to take precautions, man. And much love to you all. Be blessed, guys.